Ladles and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, this. Just a quickie today. Stop laughing at the back. This is the key for my son's Mk.III Mazda MX5, and we're going to change the battery in it. So, this is how you do it. Pop the key open like that, and if you look under here, you'll see there's a little ledge where the two bits of plastic meet. Get yourself a little screwdriver or something blunt, and basically what you want to do is just push that up. It's a bit tricky, especially trying to do it in front of the camera like this. Try not to stab yourself in the fingers while you're doing it, and try and pop the back out like that. Pull that off, and there is our battery. So that is very well held in. You'll see there is a clip there and a clip there. So it's a bit tricky to get this out. So it does require a little bit of brute force and ignorance. So we might actually need a slightly smaller screwdriver for this. So what we want to do is try and pop this battery out like that. And this is a CR1620 3-volt lithium battery. So take your new battery, pop it in at the front first, and it just clicks in like that. Then take your key fob, the key or the buttons, make sure it's on straight like that, and just push it down. And there you go. Easy as that. Right, see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.